Hi guys! So a few years ago I made a video on how I naturally restored my enamel and remineralized my teeth, and today I want to give you guys a little update and a clarification on certain things, on exactly what I did and how it's lasted for now 3 years. So in that video I talked about how my teeth had become transparent and I was looking for ways to restore it naturally, and the dentist had given me Pronamel and that didn't do anything, and it was actually the dental hygienist, but she said that there was no way to naturally restore your enamel or to even restore it at all. And I looked up some things online and I found different natural solutions and I tried some stuff out, and this is what worked. So I took these supplements that were calcium, magnesium, and D3, and you guys commented that it's important to take K2 with this if you're taking calcium, and if this is something that you're interested in doing and you don't think you're getting enough K2, then that could be a good tip for you guys too. I also took trace minerals, and then I used a remineralizing toothpaste, and doing these 3 things all at once restored my enamel and made my teeth go from transparent to opaque immediately. And so following this is where I want to get into a little bit more detail, is that those calcium, magnesium, vitamin D3 supplements I only took for about a month. So there was a lot of people in the comments saying things like, don't take calcium, it'll clog your arteries or things, but I was only doing it for a month. I don't think that's really enough time to do too much damage, but I could be wrong. This is just, again, I'm not an oral health care professional. This is just what had worked for me and what has continued to work for me. So those supplements I took for about a month, and then after that, maybe like once every few months I would take one if I was feeling like maybe I needed it. But I did after taking those supplements, which means that I was getting enough vitamin D because of the sun. And so this is where, if it's possible that if the vitamin D was the thing that really helped, I just started getting enough vitamin D naturally afterwards, so I didn't continue taking those supplements. The trace minerals I kept taking, so those I took for a few months, and I still take those here and there too. So maybe once a month I'll take a trace mineral supplement because I'm not too sure if I'm getting all the minerals that I need from my foods. But the only thing in that regimen that I did that I'm continuing to do on a daily basis is using the remineralizing toothpaste, and the toothpaste actually might be the main, if not only, thing that actually really did help it. I'm not too sure. That's why I tried a few different things and they all work together, but the toothpaste is what has worked in the long term. And I showed you guys the remineralizing toothpaste that I bought from a store and how expensive it was and how I decided to make it myself. And so I've been actually making my own remineralizing toothpaste for the past 3 years and using that every day, and my teeth are opaque, I've got my enamel intact, and life is good. So I really think it probably is that toothpaste that really is doing wonders. And again, I'll link up here and in this video description for you guys my recipe on making the DIY toothpaste and all of the ingredients and how you can buy them. So I'll also have everything in this video description too, just for the supplements if you're interested in taking those too and trying that out. But I think that's the main update or clarification that I wanted to give, was that the supplements I did for the first little bit and then just here and there sporadically afterwards, but not too often. And it's really been the toothpaste that I think has really helped most. So it's kind of hard to tell what is actually making the biggest difference when you're trying a whole bunch of things at once, but for the toothpaste to be the only thing that I've consistently done every day, and for my teeth to have stayed this way, like they've never reverted back, they've always continued to be opaque, white, and looking good. I haven't gone to the dentist now in about 2 years. It was kind of time for me to go to the dentist when COVID hit, and then I just didn't go because of COVID. And so anyways, I'll probably go to the dentist pretty soon, and just for regular cleaning and stuff. But as far as I know, everything is okay with my teeth, and my enamel is here to stay. So hopefully that helps you guys. I'm grateful that some of you guys have also tried this and that it's worked for you too, so that's been really cool to see, because this is something that, it's just something I tried myself. I didn't know if it would work, and it really did for me, and I just wanted to share that with you guys, what worked for me. So that's just a little clarification that for me it's mostly been the toothpaste. So yeah, but I did take those supplements and maybe that helped, and maybe getting natural vitamin D is helping too. So that's just what's been going on with my teeth. And I'm making another video on my experience using DIY toothpaste for 4 years, because it's been 4 years now that I've been making my own toothpaste, and I'm sharing kind of the trial and error things that I've done, so you can check that video out up here too, and also in this video description. So thank you so much for being here. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Subscribe for more if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time, and may you be happy, healthy, and free. Bye!